I want to come. I know I make money there.
Salons there and making money and you drink the natural goodness and the drainage.
They love it. Well, you're gonna go over there and tell them about me, and I'll come after. Okay?
But first, I want to come again to survey.
Okay.
So that
Well, I'll come with you down there next year
you love it.
and tell them about me, the natural girl in Bronx, New York.
So nice. Yeah.
That makes all the natural goodness for their hair. And they like to wear the wig. I have the nothing leg oil for them. For sure. We do open this one for me, Mama. Okay, those. All right, perfect.